Welcome to my presentation on The Community I Live In by Francis Songa. Facts all about Germantown, Maryland. According to the Best Places to Live in Germantown, Maryland website, Germantown is located in the northern part of Montgomery County and is 40 minutes north of Washington, D.C., 25 miles away. Germantown is an urban suburb with a country feel to it, an unincorporated city that has no mayor, governed by the Montgomery County Council, County Council. The County Councilman is Craig L. Rice, who is a Democrat, who represents District 2, which is Germantown, also Clarksburg, Darnestown, and Montgomery Village. The population is close to 92,000 people, with a 7.8% increase from 2010. Population in Germantown. There are 5,369 people per square mile, according to population density. Land area, 10.8 square miles. Number of people per household is 2.8% compared to the national average of 2.6%. Family in Germantown, 55% are married, 9.4% are divorced, 42.4% are married with children, 17.5% have children but are single. The ancestries that make up Germantown are American 3%, African 3%, Jamaican 2.4%, German 1.8%, Irish 1.7%, Liberian 1.7%. 31,922 residents are foreign-born, of which 11.8% are from Latin America, 6% Africa, 5.3% from Asia. And in Germantown, 35% are residents of foreign-born, compared to Maryland State, which is 15.2%. Demographics, income, and economy. The median household income for a single family, $86,472. Median age, 34.5 years old. Median home price is $300,700. Median male income, $52,660. Median female income, $38,061. And the cost of living is 16.9%, which continues to go up. The job market in Germantown is up by 0.8% from last year, 2020. Unemployment, 5.7% compared to the nationwide U.S. of 6%. Sales tax, 6%. Income tax rate, 8%. Poverty level, 6.6%. Ethnic racial groups. The racial group makeup in Germantown consists of white, 45.9%, black, 25%, Hispanic, 23%, Asian, 19.5%, two races or more, 4.5%, other race, 0.2%. Education in Germantown and the crime rate. High school graduate or higher, 25 years old and up, are 90.8%. Bachelor's degree or higher, 25 years old and up, 50%. The crime rate is 17.4%, of which is violent crime, and 26.6% property crime. Religion in Germantown. 40.6% of the people in Germantown are religious, thus as follows: 14% Catholic, 6.5% another Christian faith, 4.7% Baptist, 3% Methodist, less than 2% make up other denominations, Episcopalian, Lutheran, Presbyterian, Pentecostal, Church of Jesus Christ and Eastern Faith, 3.2% Judaism, 1.3% affiliates with Islam. Major business employers. Germantown is part of the biotechnological companies that exist within the I-270 corridor. The I-270 corridor is a major interstate here in Germantown and throughout Montgomery County. Kiagen, North America, helped aid in constructing COVID-19 vaccines. The U.S. Department of Energy has an Office of Biological and Environmental Research headquarters in Germantown. Hughes Network, a telecommunications company for internet services. Ashbury Methodist Communities, company that provides services for senior citizens in nursing homes, assisted living, and independent living. Other companies that are in Germantown: Xerox, Weatherbug, Library Systems and Services, and Mid-Atlantic Federal Credit Union. Germantown is a good place to live in because of the diverse city with people from various ethnic, cultural, social, economic groups, and continues to grow and expand in job growth in its economy. Germantown is the kind of place that is for everyone. There's something for everyone here. It's considered one of the best suburbs to live in because of the conveniency to access Washington, D.C. and the location. Although it's about 40 minutes away from Washington, D.C., it's still considered one of the nicest, closest places to live in outside of Washington, D.C., because everybody here likes being close to the city. Germantown has the best schools, one of the best schools, because of the great education provided, and is part of the Montgomery County school system, which is one of the best in the nation. In terms of changes I would make in Germantown, one of the major things I would like to make improvements on is commuter traffic. Commuter traffic is everywhere in Germantown, throughout Montgomery County. Here in Germantown, it's even worse because Germantown is in the northern part of Montgomery County, but it's landlocked. And so there's only maybe two major roads, arteries, that you can try to manage to get through. Otherwise, you're stuck in traffic for hours and hours. But that would be one thing that I would like to make improvements on. As long as the city continues to grow and expand, there'll be even more traffic. So that's something that I would like to make improvements on. The other thing I would like to do, if I had the power to, I would include more hospitals, because here in Germantown, there's only about 3 hospitals here. If you have to go to any other hospital, you have to travel more than 30 minutes to get to a hospital. But again, because of the growth in population, I'm sure down the road they'll open more hospitals in the area. And those are the changes I would make in terms of making improvements in Germantown. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.